Hi, this is Mohin. Today we will learn how to change text case in Excel. We will learn total 4 things in this tutorial. First of all, any case, letter, word or sentence to lowercase, any case to uppercase, any case to capitalize each word. Here each word will be capitalized, and finally any case to capitalize first letter only. So let's start. To change or to convert any text of any row to lowercase, click on target cell, write equal sign from keyboard, then write LOWER first bracket, then click on that cell where text is. Click here and close the bracket, then enter. Notice each of the letter is converted to lowercase. Now just copy and paste to the cells you need. I select the lower 2 cells, right click and must click on formula. See, each of the rows text converted to lowercase. There is another way to copy. This cell include the formula, and notice here is a square sign. Click on it and drag lower. See, the all text is converted to lowercase, and I also gave the formula. You can learn from here. Now we will learn how to change to uppercase. Click on target cell, write equal sign, then write upper UPPER first bracket, select cell which need to be convert, close first bracket, click enter. Notice all of the letter is converted to uppercase. Click on square and drag down. You see all of the letter is converted to uppercase. Now we will learn how to change any case to capitalize each word. For this, click on target cell, write equal sign from keyboard and write proper PROPER, then first bracket, click on the cell which need to be converted, then close first bracket and press enter button. Notice each of the letter of each word converted to capital letter. And the same way, click on square and drag how many cell you need. So the result is here. Now we will learn how to change any case to capitalize first letter only. So there is a template to change it. The formula is here. If you have not enough knowledge on Excel, you cannot understand it, because this formula is formulated by 5 functions of Excel. They are upper, lower, left, right and len. So if you have not enough knowledge on Excel, you cannot understand it. So for that I make a template. To do this, just copy from here and go to the target cell where you need capitalize first letter, right click and click on FX, that means formulas. See, the first letter converted to capital, drag down. See, the first letter T convert to capital. If you write A for apple, see, first letter converted to capital. Again, if we write ball is round and enter, notice here the first letter is capital and remaining all letter is lowercase. That's all of today's tutorial. Hope that we will meet again by more functions of Excel. Stay well. Goodbye.